Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Magnum-Dimensions inverter, anything in the MMSA series, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you're going to want to do a hard reset kind of for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having a fault code that you can't get rid of and you have tried the soft reset and it didn't get rid of it, or it's not working right for some reason, you're going to want to go ahead and do this. The second reason is if you're just trying to get it set up anew and you just want it, for whatever reason, to get it kind of back to the way it was when you took it out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is, first of all, we need to unhook anything that it's powering. So we're going to remove all AC power to the inverter, and then we're going to open the inverter DC disconnects, or disconnect the positive battery cable to the inverter. Once that happens, we're going to ensure that the inverter and the remote are disconnected from all AC and DC power, so that the remote display should be blank. And after that it's been disconnected like that for at least 30 seconds, then you can reconnect the inverter DC disconnects and resume operation. And it will have been reverted to its factory defaults.